Hello students, how are you students? I hope you are fine and you are happy also. So students, in this video we are going to discuss about the events in sexual reproduction. Students, this is the video series of first chapter. So this is the sixth part of first chapter. In earlier videos we have discussed all the content. So in this video especially we will discuss events in sexual reproduction. So keep watching, it is very interesting. Let's discuss about the events in sexual reproduction. Students, events in sexual reproduction. What are the events in sexual reproduction? Structures associated with sexual reproduction are different in different types of organisms. So events in sexual reproduction are also elaborated and complex. However, they have a fundamental similarity in that sexual reproduction involves formation of gametes, transfer of gametes. So these are special events. So keep it in your mind and keep remember also. Students, gametes, formation, transfer of gamete, fusion of male and female gametes, and embryogenesis. So these are main events. So they are sequenced in three groups. What are these groups? Pre-fertilization events, then fertilization, and post-fertilization events. So you should remember these groups of the steps. Pre-fertilization events, what are the steps included in this group? Pre-fertilization events means gamete formation and gamete transfer. So gamete formation and gamete transfer, these are two events are sequenced in this group, pre-fertilization events. So these two events. Then fertilization, fusion of male and female gamete, you know very well. Post-fertilization events, this is embryogenesis. So let's discuss in detail about these groups or these categories, what they are. So students, pre-fertilization events. What are the pre-fertilization events? I told in brief, but now here we will discuss in detail. These include all the events of sexual reproduction prior to the fusion of gametes. So before the fusion of two male and female gametes, these are events included in pre-fertilization events. The two main pre-fertilization events are gametogenesis and gamete transfer. So what is gametogenesis and what is gamete transfer? We will discuss one by one. So let's discuss about gametogenesis. What is gametogenesis? Gametogenesis is the process of formation and differentiation of haploid sex cells or gametes. Means when gametes are formed, means male gametes and female gametes both are formed in a single organism or in different organism. Means in bisexual organism both type of gametes are formed in a single body, but in unisexual organism male and female gametes are formed in different bodies. So here gamete is the haploid sex cell. What is haploid sex cell? What does it mean? Haploid means when the single set of chromosomes is found in a cell, this cell is known as haploid cell. What is single set of chromosome? In our cell 46 chromosomes are found, and these are in the set of 23. So 23 plus 23. So one set is of 23 and another set is of 23. So these two sets are present in a single cell. That is why this cell is diploid cell. But when these two are distinct or only single set is found in a cell, only 23 in a cell or single set, it is known as haploid cell. So gamete is haploid cell. Means how many chromosomes are found in gamete? In human only 23 chromosomes are found. So students, gametes are of different types of in different individual. Just like what are the categories of these gametes in different individual? Isogametes or homogametes. Sometime male and female gametes are just similar appearance, and these are known as the isogametes. So iso means same, gametes means homo means same, gametes. So when gametes are similar to each other, then they are known as isogametes. In sexually reproducing lower organism like simple algae, the gametes are structurally and functionally similar. They are called isogametes or homogametes. Example, cladophora, eulothrix. So these are the example of isogametes. Students must remember the example Otherwise you will be confused, and when it is asked in your exam you will not be able to describe. So students, keep remember. Let's discuss another category of gametes, anisogametes. Students, you know, aniso, n means absent or dissimilar. Iso means, n means absent, iso means same. यानी कि जो similarity है, this similarity is absent in this type of gamete. That is why they named as anisogametes. So gametes are structurally similar but are physiologically different in Spirogyra. Mean if in Spirogyra these gametes are structurally similar, means they may of similar structure but physiology is different. So that is why these are anisogametes. They are called physiological anisogametes. Means anisogametes are of two types: physiological anisogametes or anisogametes. Sometimes structures are same and physiology is different, so physiologically anisogamete, but sometimes totally different in structure as well as physiology. That is why these are totally anisogametes. So let's discuss in Chlamydomonas brunei. So Chlamydomonas brunei ये क्या है? This is the category or this is the algae. The gametes are morphologically similar but differ in size. Morphologically similar but differ in size. So morphologically they may similar but size may different. So one is small and one is larger one. So these type of gametes are known as anisogametes. They may different in size but similar in structure. When similar in structure and different in morphology, then these are morphologically anisogamete. But here the gametes are similar in structure but different in size, so these are anisogamete. Don't be confused, students, don't be confused. I want to tell you with some example. Morphologically similar, sorry, physiological similar means they may just similar like this one, but their physiology may be different. Their physiology may be different means flagella may absent in one or flagella may present in another. But here these all are similar but structure is same but size is different. So let's discuss another one, heterogamete. Heterogamete, what is it? In most of the sexually reproducing organism, the gametes are of two morphological distinct types, female egg or ovum and male sperm antherozoids. Male sperm antherozoids, so you can say this male gamete is named in different organism, sperm antherozoid or spermatozoid, in different individual. Such morphologically distinct gametes are called heterogametes. Fucus, brown algae. This is the brown algae. In fucus, heterogametes is found. In human also heterogamete is found. The phenomena of having morphologically and physiologically different gametes is called heterogamety. So students, you know, in 11th class, one question, it is very popular, that heterospory, you know, heterospory. So two types of spore, but here heterogamety. So hetero means different, gamety means gametes. When two gametes are totally distinct, totally different in their size, in their structure, in their physiology, so these type of gametes are known as heterogametes. You know, in human, ovum and sperm, so these are totally different, so that is why these are heterogamete. So what are the example of heterogamete? Fucus, which is brown algae, and human. So students, it is clear. So let's discuss more about another gametes. So students, oogametes. What they are? Oogametes, this is very important. Oogamy and oogametes. So we concentrated on it. The male gamete, sperm or antherozoid, is motile. It generally possesses one or two flagella for swimming up to the female gametes. You know, because female gamete is sedentary or it does not move, but male gamete is motile. So male gamete has to move toward the female gamete. So that is why for movement it has the flagella. The male gamete, sperm or antherozoid, is motile. It generally possesses one or two flagella for swimming up to the female gametes. In seed plants, male gametes are devoid of flagella because they are carried to female gametes by pollen tubes. The female gamete's egg or ovum is generally large, food laden and non-motile. The union between a large non-motile egg and a small motile gamete is called oogamy. So students, look at here. You know, in plants, pollen grain is small and egg is large. So pollen grain has to reach where? Toward the female gamete through the pollen tube. Pollen tube, you know, just like this structure. So pollen tube, it emerged inside the style and reaches toward the egg. So these are totally different. One is very small and one is large. So just like it in human also, sperm is very small and egg is large. It has sedentary, it does not move. In plant also, egg does not move, and male gamete in human, in animals or in plants also, they move toward the female gamete. So the fusion of one very smaller and another larger one. The smaller one is motile and the larger one is non-motile. So the fusion of these type of gametes, one is very small motile gamete and another one is large and non-motile gametes. So this process is known as the oogamy. Oogamy. And these gametes are known as oogametes. So I think it is clear to you, students. This is very important. So I think it is being clear. So let's discuss more. Students, sexuality in organism. Sexuality in organism, what is it? Sexuality, what does it mean? In different organisms, sexuality may be of different. Means the gametes may form both the gametes in single organism or in different organism. So on the basis of it, the sexuality of organism is of different. What is it? Let's discuss. Sexual reproduction in organism generally involves the fusion of gametes from two different individuals. So fusion of gametes from two different individuals means their gametes are formed in different body. But this is not always true. This is not always true. On the basis of sexuality, living beings are of following type. What is it? Homothelic. Homothelic means it is the category, it is the term given to the lower organism. Means their body is thalloid. Thalloid structure means thallus-like body, just like fungi, algae. So this is thallus-like body. So homothelic. Homothelic or monoecious. And another, the scientific or the technical term is monoecious. In several fungi and plants, terms such as homothelic and monoecious are used to denote the bisexual condition. So keep it in your mind, bisexual. Bisexual means both the sex are present in single body. So both gametes or both sex are present in single body. So both sex or both gametes are present in single body. Single means mono. So you can remember, mono means single. Single individual is required for the production of two type of gamete. So monoecious. It is the trick. You can understand very well. It is the trick. Mono means single. Single individual is required for two type of gamete production, male and female. So this is monoecious. What is the example? Cycas, it is bisexual. Two type of cones are formed, date palm, papaya and Vallisneria. So these are the different examples of this one, homothelic or monoecious. Heterothelic, hetero means different or dioecious means two individuals are required for the formation of two gametes. Heterothelic and dioecious are the term used to describe unisexual condition. Unisexual condition means single sex is present in the single body or in different body. So that is why it is unisexual. Example, cucurbits, coconuts and maize. So these are the example of dioecious plant. So it is very important, you should remember it, and many of the time it were asked, these questions were asked in your exam. Staminate flower, it is the another term. It is used only flower, not plants. So these two category, students, these two, were used for the plants or the whole individual, but staminate or pistillate these only to used for only flower. So for flower, staminate flower and pistillate flower. So flower is in which only male reproductive organ is found. So just like this, look at here, students, in flower these structures are found. This is just like, suppose this is flower. So this is flower. In this flower only, suppose male structures or male reproductive organs are found. What is male reproductive organ? Stamen. Only stamen. I made or I draw this picture. This is of bisexual flower, but stamen is found. When stamen only is found, not pistil. So this flower is known as staminate flower. Pistillate flower when only pistil is found. Just like it, when pistil is found only. So this flower is known as pistillate flower. So I think you are understanding well. So students, these are the sexuality of organism. Let's discuss cell division during gamete formation. So students, I think this video will be long. So that is why I stop this video. Students, if you are liking the video, you can comment in the comment box. Also share and subscribe. Thank you.